Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to video 2 of this birthday week series. So in today's video I will be showing you guys the full self-care pampering routine that I do on not all my birthdays, but I do follow it most of the times before my birthdays. So yeah, I thought why not to show that to you guys this year. So the video includes from starting from the hair care till the whole body. So I have included all the things in that, and yeah, I really hope that you guys will like the video. Trust me guys, like trust me on this, my skin feels super clean and super soft, and you can see the difference in my skin like in no time. My skin, body and everything is like birthday ready, you can say. Also, I don't know why my hairs are like waved and why my hairs look so curly, but believe me, they are not so curly, they are wavy, but I don't know why they look like this. So yeah, I'm pretty much excited to show you guys that what all I do in the self-care pampering routine. So yeah, without further ado, let's get going to the video. So let's just dive right into this video. So the first thing I'll be using is the coconut oil. I like to do this step first just because I like to keep my oil for as long as possible. Also, I do heat oil a little bit and I apply oil when it is still warm. I concentrate oil only on my scalp majorly, and then the remaining oil I apply to the length of my hair. Also, lately I am going through a lot of hair fall, so I am thinking to switch my hair oil, but for now I do use coconut oil and I have been using this ever since I was a child. We will keep this oil on our hair for an hour or two, and simultaneously we will move to our face. So first step in this is hair removal step. You know guys, I have mentioned this over and over again that how important it is to shave your face, and whenever I do this self pampering routine I always tend to shave my face just because it makes my skin feel soft and clean from any peach fuzz. We use micellar water to remove makeup, but I do use when I haven't applied makeup also, mostly on like everyday basis, just to make sure I don't have anything on my face and just to make sure my face is squeaky clean. I mostly use this microfiber cloth. I tend to switch between cotton pads and this cloth, but that's very rare. Most of the time I do use this cloth to clean my face. No need to tell anything more about this face wash. I have raved about this face wash always. Also, I have showed you guys this face wash in my recent Nykaa haul. So if you want like a detailed review about this, do check out that video. It will be in the description box or on the screen somewhere. Just in short, this is my favorite face wash of all times. The next step is taking a steam. I have recently discovered this step, to be very honest, as I always tend to take steam for that relaxing feeling I get after doing this step. Also, after taking steam, believe me, your headache will go like in minutes. This was the major reason I discovered this step at first place. It just opens your pore so that the next steps we will be doing will all work wonders, as it will go deep into your skin. So the next step is exfoliating, obviously, and for this step I'll be quickly making a DIY scrub, which I have again showed you guys in my skincare video. So the links will be on the screen or in the description as always. For this I'll be mixing castor sugar and coffee, and I'll be just massaging it into my skin for like a minute or so. Coffee helps to get even tone, and castor sugar acts as a small scrub particle that removes your dead skin. The next step is masking, and this is my favorite step. So today, as my birthday is approaching, I decided to go a bit more extra and I decided to do multi-masking. So for that, I will be taking besan, milk, or you can also take curd, honey, lemon and a pinch of turmeric in a bowl. I have shown this mask to you guys on my video. So links will be in the description, so check that out. I'll be applying Good Vibes charcoal mask on my nose area as I have texture skin, especially on that area, and then I'll be applying the turmeric mask on the remaining areas of my face. This is called as multi-masking, which can tackle two problems at a time. Turmeric mask is my all-time favorite as it gives that glow from within, which is obviously needed on such special occasions. Next comes is the body. For me, body care is something I tend to ignore most of the times, and I am totally guilty of that. But it's so important. Therefore, today I thought let's just dive and do something extra, because why not? So for the body, I am using this scrub which is super simple. You can make it at home, and I saw this on Ridul's channel, and I am also trying this for the first time today. But I'm pretty sure it will be good and hydrating, which is what my body needs all the time. I will take my own sweet time to scrub it all over my legs and my hands. Also, I will be doing like a proper manicure and pedicure at home in this week's video for my birthday. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Next comes is the body shaving. After taking like ages of scrubbing, I love to go shave my whole body. Again, I don't shave my whole body like every time because clearly I'm super lazy for that. But today I'm going extra and shaving every corner of my body. Before I used to wax, but then I tried shaving and it worked out for me. So yeah, I continued doing that. I generally do all this step in my shower, but today I wanted to shoot this video, so thought of doing it in my bedroom. So as you can see, I'm back after taking a shower, and now I'll be applying moisturizer. Personally for me, this is like the most important step as my skin feels more dry after I'm out of my shower. So I like to apply this so that it will give me hydration, and at the same time it will lock in everything that we just did before hopping in the shower. So whenever you think of a body care, this step is like most ignored, but this step is so important, especially for all the dry skin girls. After shaving, I like to use this moisturizer by Avon, which is super hydrating. I don't use body oils that often, is just because I don't like the feel of it. But you can go with body oil and then apply moisturizer to lock everything in. This is the serum I showed you guys on my Nykaa haul too. So this is a repurchase obviously, and clearly my favorite serum of all times. It does help in anti-freezing, which it claims to do. And also I like to apply it before styling my hair, which I actually hardly do, but mostly I like to use this as a leave-in serum. So this is how I do my self-care pampering routine. So I really hope that you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also I'll be doing like a complete manicure and pedicure at home thing before my birthday, like most probably today, because tomorrow is my birthday. So I will be shooting that video now. So yeah, I will be showing that video separately, like in this week series I will be showing that video separately, where I do like complete manicure pedicure routine at home. Quite easy, quite exciting. So yeah, I am really very excited to show that to you guys too. Stay tuned for that, and before leaving this channel, do subscribe to my channel to see more such fun videos. So yeah, we will meet next time. Bye.